Hey guys, Jake here from Gold Coast Plumbing Company. Just out here in a property in Upper Coomera. So at this property here, we've had quite a few water leak repairs. As you might be able to see, a few little repair marks on the grass there. So what we've done is we've quoted up this customer to do a full bypass, replace the whole line up to the corner of their house, as you can see in the back of the camera there. Just because they've had so many leaks here. We've probably had about 4 or 5 leaks in the last probably 2 months or so. So what we'll do is we'll replace, they've got recycled and just the normal potable water. So we'll replace both of those right up to the corner of the house. We've had location services, as you might see, a couple little marks here and on the stormwater and the electrical. Make sure we don't dig any of those up. And we'll put some good fill in it. We'll fill it with sand so they don't have this ongoing problem again in the future. And we'll also put a pressure reduction valve on it to limit the pressure, just to help try not get these leaks again later on in the future in a couple of years' time. So once we're done, should be good as new and shouldn't have any more of these problems anymore. So if you guys are having sort of the same problems as what these guys have had with constant water leaks, it might be a good option to replace the whole water line. If so, give us a call and we'll come sort that out. We'll give you a quote on that stuff for you. Thanks.